Hello guys, let me introduction in myself. My name is Marisa Nabila. Here I will example about auxiliary tense. What are modal auxiliary verbs? Modal show possibility, intense, ability or readiness. Common example of modal verbs I called can, should, and must because they're a type of auxiliary verb, helper verb. They are there assets alongside the infinitive form of the main verb of tense. Modal verbs are assets to express certain hypothetical conditions such as advisability, capability, or request. Refer to the complete list below. There, assets alongside a main verb to inflate its meaning. Can set the difference between these two examples. I swim every Thursday. I can swim every Thursday. The first example is an factor statement that speaks of participants in a swimming activity every week Thursday. The second example is the modal verb can. Notice how the meaning can let the speaker does not naturally swim every Thursday. They saying they are capable of swimming every Thursday, or that the possibility exists for them to swim every Thursday. It's hypothetical because modal verbs are auxiliary. They can generally be assets on their own. Modal verbs can appear alone in a tense only if the main verbs is implied because it has previously been established. Can you swim every Thursday? Yes, I can. Modal verbs are quite common in English. You'll visit them in action hundreds of times. Even if you didn't know what they were called, here are the most frequently used ones. Can, may, make, could, should, would, will, must. There are other less common modal verbs, some like shall and ought are rarely used any longer. There are verbs that can function either as main verbs or as modal auxiliaries depending on the context. Could, need, and have above like modal verbs in the common colloquial experience. Goes to, needs to, and have to. Some modal verbs express specific conditions that don't come off often, like they're in its modal form in their eyes. The word assets in the idiomatic pairs assets to, as in associates to be an English student to behaves like a modal verb with only a past tense form. Experience ability. Can and could show ability. Can is for present ability. Could is for past ability or positive request. Example of can: I can speak English. She can play the piano. Example of could: I could swim when I was young. Could you please help me? Expressing possibility. May and make, including possibility, may suggest a higher probability, may suggest a lower probability, or positive suggestion. Example of may, it may rain tomorrow. Example of make, I may go to the party. Example should be, must and should expressed the casting must is a strong obligation, should is a recommendation. Example is you must wear a seat belt. Example of should, you should study for the class. Model accelerates advice. Model can give advice thoughts out and have better of suggestion. Example of should, you should get healthy food. Example of ought to, you ought to visit your family. Example of had better, you had better be one time. Making requests. Model like can, could, and would make requests. They make them more polite. Model can, could, would. Example: can you please the call? Could you help me? What do you mean closing that door? What condition do modal verbs express? Modal verbs show first condition including likelihood, her breath must be short prone, possibility, it may rain tomorrow, ability, second swim. Promise, student, you might leave early today. Request, could you help me? Advice, you saw the lessons now? Comment, you must wash your hands before cooking. Messages, you must finish your homework. Habits, I will arrive early to every meeting and leave late. Simple present tense. For basic tense in the simple present tense, remember these rules. Modal verbs come defined for the main verbs, example for in questions. With modal verb, as the infinitive form of the main verb. With must but not modal verbs, to is the form of the infinitive. So, if you want to brag about your ability to eat entire pizza, yo as the modal verbs can before the infinitive form as with ought to which is simply it's the rest of the tense continues as normal. I can eat an entire pizza. If you want to communicate the comes requiring you to eat an entire pizza, you make as the modal verbs have before the infinitive form of its returning to. I have to eat an entire pizza. Modal verbs in question. For yes atau no, yes and no. The questions use still as the infinitive form of the main verb, but the order is a little different. The formula for modal verbs in yes and no questions is modal verb plus subject plus main verb infinitive. Can you eat an entire pizza? Do you have to eat an entire pizza? Note that in the second example above, because have is a verb that only sometimes functions as an auxiliary verb and other times functions as a main verb, the question is formatted with the auxiliary verbs to at the beginning. Modal verbs and time. Because modal verbs they relate to the generalization or repetition, they have actually happen all of the core ends. Can refer to present and future time, but only Some of them can refer to past tense most of the time. They do not change form to make different tense. However, all of them can be asked with different conjugation of a tense main verb to refer to present or future time in different ways. So let's start a little about verbs, tense, and modal verbs. Present perfect continuous. You can add a modal verb before a main verb in the present perfect continuous tense without change much. However, note that the main verbs always from the present perfect continuous, as it have been one appearing with a modal verb. Never had been, even if the subject is third person. The formula for modal verbs in the present perfect continuous is modal verbs plus have been plus main verb in ing from she must has been sleeping. Simple past and present perfect tense. Acting as modal verb in the simple past of the present perfect, which ends of actions that happened in the past but is directly related to the present, is a little trickier. Only a few of the core modal verbs have the ability to refer to past, time, cold, meek, salt, and wolf. They do these functions at times as the past tense form of their flow. Modal verbs can, may, shall, and will, but keep in the mid that also have, as we saw above, cold, meek, salt, and wolf also have different sense in which they refer to the present and the future, indicating possibility, permissions, request, habits, or other conditions. None of the modal verbs be assets in the past perfect, the past continuous, or the past perfect continuous tense. Simple past. Of the main modal verbs listed at the top, only can and will can be assets in the simple past. The experience have to and needs to can also be assets in the simple past when conditions is held to and needed to other modal verbs as the present perfect to discuss events in the past. Can and will as their past tense form plus the infinitive form of the main verb without to just like in the present. The formula for modal verbs in the simple past tense is called will plus main verbs infinitive. I could do a headstand with a kid. During exam session in college, I would not sleep much. Present perfect. To form the present perfect, asking the modal verbs called make, sold. Our word the present perfect form of the main verb, which is have plus the past prefix as with the present continuous. You also have even if the subject is third persons. The formula for modal verbs in the present perfect tense is could, meet, sold, would plus have plus main verb plus perpetual. I may have gone to the party, but I forgot. Future tense, because the simple future tense continues the future perfect and future perfect continuous. Tense of main verbs are already formed with the modal verbs will, When you went to the indicates likelihood permissions or any of the other conditions discussed above in the figure, it often makes sense to do it in some other way. The benedicts of model frames. They will be more likely to come ever tomorrow if you give them breathing a warning. Thank you. I hope this expression is also cheerful everyone. See you.